Hi guys, this is Shee and welcome back to my channel again. And I know it's been a long time, but I really wanted to take this break because I was being so hard on myself, and that was just not at all good for my mental health. So I'm just taking it easy. और मैं कुछ like for sake of making, I don't want to make it. मैं जो बनाना चाहती हूँ या जो आपको present करना चाहती हूँ, I just wanted to make by my heart. I just want that my body, my mind is in right state, so I can give my 100% in whatever I'm making. Okay, and this pandemic has been harsh on everyone. As you know, people, you personally might be feeling it. We all have the ups and downs. So yeah, I just thought that this break was really necessary. But nevertheless, I'm back with a bang again. And yes, today, from the title you might have guessed it, कि आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं, and that is DIYing this garba. And मैंने ये क्यों सोचा, क्योंकि इस पैंडेमिक की वजह से सारे त्योहार हम धूमधाम से सेलिब्रेट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, एंड वो फेस्टिवल वाला वाइब नहीं आ रहा है. सो मैंने सोचा कि बट इट्स ओके, अपने घर पे सिंपल तरीके से हम फेस्टिवल्स डेफिनेटली सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं. So you don't need to have that dhoom dhaam and stuff, that kind of stuff. You just it's all within the heart, it's all from the heart. So simple तरीके से भी हम वो festive वाला feeling ला सकते हैं. Why not? I mean, obviously we can. So I just thought that does DIYing this garba and stuff would actually makes me feel like it's festival. It's like festive feeling आता है. Okay, so now without wasting any further time, let's tightly jumping into the video. Okay, so आज हम जो DIY करने वाले हैं उसमें हमें क्या क्या चाहिए होगा, I'm showing you. First we'll be needing is this colorful threads. Okay, ये धागे हैं colorful. We'll be utilizing it, so we'll be needing this. And then we'll be needing some colorful stones like this. You can see, right? You can see the stones. We'll be needing some colorful stones, whichever it's available. And then this kind of chain I have in this two different colors, like green and golden. You can see, right, properly. Okay, so we'll be needing this. Then what we'll be needing oil paint. I've chose this what to say, which color it is. It is golden yellow color, if you can see, right? Golden yellow color, and a brush. Obviously this will be will be coating base. Our garba will be of this golden yellow color, so we'll be needing this for base. And then we have some mirrors. We call it abla in Gujarati. Abla, like without it can't be done. It's a must, and I'll try to just design. I'll just make it part of this. And what else will we need? Yes, I forgot the scissors. Definitely scissors will be needing. And what will be needing this two colors chart paper. That one is dark green, one is light green. We'll be needing this chart papers. And then we'll be needing some fabric glue. Okay, so now we have all the items with us. So now let's start making the garba.
Thousand years later.
Okay guys, so this was it for today. I hope you really like this DIY. मैंने कोशिश की कि मैं अपने हिसाब से ये फेस्टिव को थोड़ा स्पेशल बना पाऊँ. If you really like this video, you know what to do. Please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. I will meet you again. Until then, see you next time. Bye.